point. So here is internship opportunity and job opportunity from the Reflow company uh, for the job post like full stack developer, location Chennai. So you want to apply here, so you can see here. So if you want to apply for internship opportunity, you can go through this link, or if you want to apply for freshers or a job opportunity, you can apply through this link. So you can see here details at a glance. Choose Reflow for our unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. So all the details are given: development, support, progress, what kind of things. So anyhow, if you want to apply for internship, then you can click here, and if you want to apply for job, you can click here. So the link will be open like this form. So you have to give your details. So looking for internship, fresher or experienced job. So anyhow, you have to click one option. So which profile looking for? Software developer, AML, full stack developer, HR. So these all four jobs are available, and internship is available. So working experience, if you have any experience, you can click, and if you don't have any experience, you can click college student or a fresher. So if you are pursuing, you can click college student, or if you completed recently, you can select fresher, or if you have any experience, you can click based on your experience. And 10th class and 12th class, intermediate marks, contact number, WhatsApp number, pass out year, you have to select which year you have completed your BTech, or not yet completed, when you are going to completing, you have to select this. So and other details you have to fill, and you need to finally upload the resume and submit the form. So this is about the opportunity. So if you are interested, you can apply for it. Link is provided in the description box, and share to all your friends, and like the video for better reach. Thank you all.